Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to load replacement line for Bosch EasyGrassCut Grass 23 grass trimmer. This is basically the same procedure for cordless models 18-230, 18-26 and 18-260. Also for the EasyGrassCut Grass 23, EasyGrassCut Grass 26 and older models R23SL and R26SL. So first we need to take the cover of the spool. It's very easy. You just need to push these two buttons here and the cover is out. Now this is the part that we need to load the line. See, mine it's practically already used all the way, so I'm just gonna take this. I prepared the new one and the length is 4 meters and it's 1.6 millimeters thickness. So how do we load the line? This is the direction you have to load the line, because if you put opposite it won't work. When you start the trimmer, the line will just go out. So we put the line inside the hole and start winding, but has to be properly wound. So when we finish, it should do the job, and we're putting back the spool inside the trimmer head like this. Now we have one hole because this is trimmer with one wire. And we are done. Now to release how much, this is semi-automatic head, so you need to push this button to release the line up to the edge of the trimmer, and that's it, and we're done. Now we're gonna cover the, put the cap back and see the result. Is it okay? I'm gonna plug in the trimmer now and let's see, is it working? So it's working. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.